Om Ganeshaya Namah Om Namah Shivaya Jemmata D. Film Achut Kanya. Films RS Films. Achut Kanya. Films RS Films. Another early and significant sound film released shortly after Indrasbha is Achut Kanya, 1936. Directed by Franz Osten and produced by Himanshu Rai of Bombay Talkies, Achut Kanya is often regarded as one of the landmark films in the history of Indian cinema. Cast and crew of Achut Kanya. On-screen cast: Devika Rani. Career journey: Devika Rani was an early superstar of Indian cinema and a pivotal figure in the history of Bombay Talkies. She was known for her beauty and exceptional acting skills. Achievements: she received the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, India's highest award in cinema, for her lifetime contributions. Downfalls: her career faced a gradual decline as she decided to retire early from acting after her marriage to Russian painter Sviatoslav Rorich. Ashok Kumar. Career journey: starting as a reluctant actor, Ashok Kumar eventually became one of the most respected and versatile actors in Indian cinema. Achievements: known for his natural acting style, he was awarded the Dada Saheb Phalke Award and enjoyed a career spanning over 6 decades. Downfalls: despite his long career, he experienced some unsuccessful films, particularly in his middle years, before re-establishing himself in character roles. Off-screen crew: Franz Osten. Career journey: a German filmmaker, Osten collaborated extensively with Himanshu Rai and Bombay Talkies. He directed several of India's early influential films. Achievements: Osten is credited with helping shape the technical aspects of filmmaking in India. Downfalls: his career in India ended with the onset of World War II due to his German nationality and subsequent internment by British authorities. Himanshu Rai. Career journey: Rai was a key figure in founding Bombay Talkies, which became a significant film production company. He was instrumental in bringing international talent like Franz Osten to Indian cinema. Achievements: he played a critical role in the early development of Indian cinema, particularly in improving production standards. Downfalls: his career was marred by personal issues and his untimely death in 1940, which also affected Bombay Talkies. Saraswati Devi. Career journey: one of the first female music directors in Indian cinema, she composed the film's memorable score. Achievements: she broke gender barriers in the then male-dominated field of music direction. Downfalls: like many early artists, she eventually faded from the limelight as newer music directors emerged. Impact and legacy: Achut Kanya was pivotal in addressing social issues like caste and untouchability, themes that were highly progressive for its time. The film not only set a precedent for socially conscious filmmaking but also highlighted the potential of Indian cinema to influence societal norms. Each person involved in Achut Kanya played a significant role in their respective fields, contributing to the foundation and evolution of Bollywood. Their careers were characterized by significant achievements that have had a lasting impact on the industry, though not without the typical ups and downs of any artistic endeavor. Work, help and grow. GMGSRUGMS.
है जो आई हो।
Another year is going to end, but your struggle with diabetes continues. Do you really want to enter the
मैं तो हूँ छोरा तू तो खेत की मूली बाग को आम। मैं तो हूँ छोरा तू तो सावन की बदरी चलू तेरे साथ न करियो बेकदरी। राखी को है जैसे आंखों में सुरमा। गोड़ों की भोली साथ रहे जैसे बेला चमेली। गोड़ों की भोली साथ रहे जैसे बेला चमेली। मैं मैं पात पात बिन पकड़े कभी न छोड़ूं संग सतगुरु रे। तुम डाल डाल मैं पात पात बिन पकड़े कभी न छोड़ूं संग सतगुरु रे। बन बन बोल